With the Simply Wall Street Fair Ratio, we have created a model that analyzes thousands of data points to help us understand how much the market is actually willing to pay for a specified level of growth and risk. This gives us an indication of what the ratio for this company should be based on how the market values these factors. We call this the fair ratio. In the visualization, the yellow line indicates the estimated fair ratio. Anything less than that in the green area is deemed to be potentially undervalued. Anything above that fair ratio is considered potentially overvalued. If the company is trading at a valuation multiple below the fair ratio, it passes this check and adds a point to the company's snowflake valuation score. However, if a company is trading at a valuation multiple above the fair ratio, it does not pass this check and no point is added to the valuation score of the snowflake. To find out more details about the fair ratio, you can hover over the highlighted text or find out more details on our Help Center.